When shopping for a new door, there are many choices, even when it comes to the door material. In the 1980s, Therma-Tru launched the first fiberglass door on the market. It was a product never seen before, an entry door that looked as beautiful as wood, but with exceptional performance. So how does fiberglass stack up to steel and wood? Let's find out. Weather resistance. When it comes to weather resistance, fiberglass is your best bet, hands down. Therma-Tru fiberglass doors don't absorb moisture and won't rot or warp, and the finish won't peel or bubble like wood. And Therma-Tru fiberglass doors won't rust like a steel door will if it's improperly finished or exposed to environmental factors that cause oxidation. Energy efficiency. Therma-Tru fiberglass doors are built with a heat and cold resistant core and offer up to 4 times the insulating R value of wood doors, delivering exceptional energy efficiency. Wood doors are the least energy efficient option. Finishing abilities. Therma-Tru fiberglass doors can be stained or painted. Our wood-grained Classic Craft and Fiber Classic fiberglass doors feature the look of real wood and are perfect for stain or paint to create a variety of looks. Our Classic Craft Canvas Collection and Smooth Start doors are designed to grab and hold paint for long-lasting color. Maintenance. Therma-Tru fiberglass doors require minimal maintenance. Simply reapply the top coat every 3 to 5 years or when color fades. However, wood doors demand regular upkeep. It's recommended that they be refinished every 1 to 2 years, which requires stripping the finish, sanding the door, and cleaning up the dust, then applying the stain and top coat. Durability. Therma-Tru fiberglass doors won't split or crack in extreme temperatures like wood doors. And while steel doors can easily dent and scratch, which could lead to rusting, Therma-Tru fiberglass doors resist dents and scratches, making them ideal for active families. Plus, our fiberglass doors are backed by a lifetime limited warranty for your peace of mind. When it comes to high-quality, low-maintenance entry doors that are beautiful, durable, and energy efficient, the choice is clear. Therma-Tru fiberglass doors are a smart investment. And now, more than 30 years and tens of millions of fiberglass doors later, we've grown to become the leading entry door brand most preferred by builders. Therma-Tru Doors. Trust the experts in fiberglass entry door systems.